Uh, in the basic surveying, the fifth model of fifth, the areas and volume and contouring. What's the area? In the area is defined as area of a tract of land as projected upon a horizontal plane and not the actual area of the surface of the land. The area of agricultural land is measured in hectares, whereas area of a urban properties is measured in square meters. The units of area is in the metric system says square meter, hectare, square kilometer. The hectare will convert into meter square to hectare, that 100 meter by 100 meter. As before that, the objective of this unit or modula is to acquire the knowledge of area and volume and its application in the surveying. And the second one is to know how to measure the area on a map and to impart the knowledge of trapezoidal and Simpson's rule and their application in the calculation of areas and volumes. To make the student understand to calculate the area from the field notes. Already I have defined the area, then the units of area in metric systems, that is in hectares and kilometer, square kilometer and square meter. Yes, the area will be calculated by the following methods. The area is calculated in the following methods. That is the mid-ordinate rule. The second one is average ordinate rule. The third one is the trapezoidal rule. The fourth one is Simpson's rule. The mid-ordinate rule. In this method, the baseline is divided into number of equal parts and ordinates are drawn at the midpoint of each division. The length of each ordinates is then measured. That with reference to this sketch, the baseline is A to B. A to B is the baseline and they have divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n minus 1 up to n number of divisions, and each division will be divided. Each division will be equally divided and that each division is marked as mid at in between the midpoint, and from that the midpoint the ordinate is drawn. Then that ordinate is measured, that is O1, O2, O3, O4 are the ordinates of each division. Then the area will be calculated. Area equals to the average ordinate into length of AB. Average ordinate equals to O1, this O1, O2, O3 up to ON divided by N. N is the number of equal divisions into length of the length from A to B. By this, the area is calculated using the mid ordinates. Come to the second one, the average ordinate rule. In this method, the base AB is drawn on the plan, dividing this area into approximately equal parts and divided into number of equal divisions. In the earlier method, in the mid-ordinate method, the AB length will be equally divided, but the ordinates will be drawn from the midpoint of each division. But here in this method, the ordinates are drawn from the starting point of the point AB, and where the number of equal divisions where we have marked are drawn, from that the ordinates will be drawn and their length is measured. Then the area of the plot equals to average ordinate into length of the base. That average ordinate equals to O1, O2, O1, O2, O3, O4 up to On divided by n plus 1. In earlier case, we have divided with only n, but here n plus 1 into length of the base. N is the number of equal parts. Number of equal parts. Yes, come to the third rule, that is trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule. In this rule, the statement is given the area is equal to the average of end offsets to the sum of the intermediate offsets multiplied to the total sum by common distance between the ordinates. That equals to area equals to D is the each division they have divided into number of divisions. The length of the each division equals to D. D is the length of each division. Then area equals to D by 2 into first ordinate plus last ordinate plus 2 times the sum of the remaining ordinates. 2 times the sum of the remaining ordinates. This is the third rule, that is trapezoidal rule. Come to the fourth one, that is the Simpson's rule. In this method, the base of the line is drawn and divided into proportion of equal lengths. At each point of division, ordinates are drawn and their length are measured. The area of the portion bounded by the baseline and the irregular bodies is calculated from the Simpson's rule, which is stated below. The area is equal to the sum of the first and last ordinate plus 4 times the sum of the even intermediate ordinates plus twice the sum of the odd ordinates, and whole multiplied by 1/3 of common ordinates between the ordinates. This is the statement of the Simpson's rule. Here the area will be equals to D by 3, then first ordinate plus the last ordinate plus 4 times the, that is 4 times the even ordinates plus 2 times the odd ordinates, for 2 times the odd sum of the odd ordinates. This is the formula for finding out the area of a particular area will be found out with ordinates. Thank you.
ಸೇವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸರ್. ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಅದು ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟು
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಚಾಲು ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಏನಾದರೂ ಏರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇರು. ಹಾಂ ಏರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು
ಹಾಂ
10 minutes ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದು?
ಹೌದು.